I am honored and humbled na ni-assume sa responsibilidad isip officer in charge sa General Santos City Police Office. Gidawat na ko ning assignment with a clear understanding and trust o pagsalig nga gihatag sa kuha para mag-perform sa atong duty. Ang leadership na movement was directed by higher headquarters. So, kaning nahitabo karon diri sa General Santos City Police Station na movement is kuani siya mando sa ato ang higher headquarters. Base sa organizational requirements. So, ako gi-recognize ang professional and effective service ni Police Colonel Eric Dibinancio during sa iyang stint as the acting city director. So, diya sa iyang tenure, nag-initiate siya og mga pag-repair, mga improvement diri sa General Santos City Police Station facility, police office facility. So makita naman nato no ang itsura sa ato ang GSCPO nga dunay mga kabaguhan nga nakita or facelift nga nakita diya. So gawas ana mga service vehicles po nga diha nagled to successful operations against criminality. We appreciate these accomplishments and I assure everyone that these initiatives will be continued and strengthened. So sa akong kabahin, I have served in various command and staff positions. So including ako na imong station commander dito sa Davao City Police Office sa younger years na po, isip mga major pa po to. Then, I was also chief of police sa Mati City Police Station o sa Tagum City Police Station. Since my assignment to Police Regional Office 12 niadtong November 2024, na-assign ko diha sa ato ang R4 sa logistics. Unya, diha sa ato ang R5 sa Regional Community Affairs Division, Development Division. Then karon concurrent with my position as Chief R5, ani ako diri karon sa General Santos City Police Office as your officer in charge.